Dear students, so far we completed a first function of nucleic acid, that is autocatalysis, self-replication or doubling of DNA. And second function is a heterocatalysis, protein biosynthesis or expression of a gene or gene expression. So under the heading functions of DNA or nucleic acid, second function is heterocatalysis. That is nothing but gene expression. Or simply protein biosynthesis. Protein biosynthesis or protein synthesis. During DNA replication, DNA is able to produce its own copies, hence the name auto, able to produce its copies. But here given one is a hetero, producing different copy. For example, this is a DNA molecule, a double-stranded DNA molecule. Three, 5, 5, 3. Base pairing between concerned nucleotides. Complementarity. Base pairing. During DNA replication, both the strands acted as a template. At the time, both are involved in the synthesis of a new DNA strand. Both are involved, both are acting as templates. But here, out of two strands, how many are going to act as templates? Only one strand. Only one is involved. Only one is involved. And before that one, we should know what are the events present in heterocatalysis. Two events are present. Wait. One is transcription. Second one, translation. After completion of DNA replication in insert textbook, the given one is transcription. First event of gene expression or protein biosynthesis. So what is transcription? Synthesis of RNA. That RNA is mRNA, tRNA, ribosomal RNA. So synthesis of all three kinds of functional basic RNA molecules. Messenger RNA, tRNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA from DNA molecule is called as a transcription. So here the question is, at the time of transcription to synthesize mRNA, tRNA, ribosomal RNA, how many strands are involved? Only one strand is involved. Unlike DNA replication, in DNA replication both are involved, both are acting as templates, but here only one is involved. Here template means DNA strand with 3 to 5 polarity. Okay, so actually in diagram, both are having 3 to 5 polarity. Both are eligible or not. But at the time of transcription, only one strand is involved. Why not two strands? That was the given question. So during transcription, one strand of DNA is involved or transcribed, but not two strands. Why not? Okay, so why only one strand is involved? Why not both the strands? The answer is very simple in your textbook. Answer is very simple, but explained content were the content was very complicated. How to command that content? Okay, so for example, this is a segment of DNA. A segment of DNA. Okay, right? So the simple answer is how to understand the given content. Follow this flow chart. With the help of this flow chart, you can understand that simple answer. Okay, so this part of double-stranded DNA is involved in transcription. Okay, so separate these two strands. Strand 1, this part only. Strand 1, strand 2 is a dummy one to understand the concept. 3 to 5, 5 to 3. Okay, 3 to 5, 5 to 3. These two are the DNA strands. DNA strands only. Separated DNA strands. Strand 1, strand 2. Why I am taking like this? The given one is only one strand is involved, but not two strands. Okay, so to answer that one, take two strands. By taking two strands as a template, definitely we can understand why two strands are not involved, why one strand is involved. So this is a DNA strand 1, DNA strand 2. Now transcription. Transcription. Same segment of DNA. Coding for two different mRNA molecules. This mRNA with 5 to 3, this one with